Hi guys, this is Sharnika and you're joining the S2 Sisters. So I'm really sorry guys that I could not post the videos after I came from India because I had 9th standard exams going on and then 10th started, so it was really busy for me. And yes, my 10th started, I'm in 10th standard now, so I might not be able to post videos regularly. So whenever I have a holiday or time, I will only be able to post videos, because we all know 10th is different year, the first year of boards, and a very important standard. And I'm really excited for my 10th as well. Offline classes, I got to meet my teachers and friends, and it's going really great the first 2 weeks. So now, if you are asking where we are going to Mall of Oman. So we're going to see the new released movie RRR or Triple R. So the trailer was really good, and we are going with our friends, and it is from the director of Bahubali. So I'm really excited on how it is going to go. So we'll also see how the theater looks and how the mall looks as well. It's going to be new for me as well, even I have not been over there. So come on, let's see how the Mall of Oman is. We're almost close. So guys, I enjoyed the movie thoroughly. It was amazing. The editing and the story, it was also so good. The second half was a little lagging, but still it was an amazing movie. You all should go to theater and see it. It's like worth movie because the sound effects and the visual effects, everything was amazing, and the actors and the emotions they gave was also really amazing. It was overall a fantastic movie. I really enjoyed it. I could not show more because first I might get copyright, second I don't want to spoil the movie for you guys as well, so I'm not telling much, but it's a really good movie. You guys should check it out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.